Folks, I just want y'all to imagine something here for a second, all right? You're sitting down in your back patio, you got your concrete slab, your beautiful backyard in the foreground, and you got your Copperhead 52 on the caster package sitting there right in front of you, right? So let's check this bad boy out. Like I said, this is our Copperhead 52. We'll take all this crap out of here. You're not gonna have all this in when you're smoking. That wouldn't be a good idea. So we got bottom and top sliding trays here, guys. Got your complimentary fire poker in there as well. This is a reverse flow pit. So we've got two reverse flow plates here. They are removable, so you can clean up underneath it. They direct the smoke and heat all the way across the bottom, back out of the stack. This one did get upgraded to a stainless steel front shelf here. On the caster package, you do get a folding shelf. D-ring tie downs on all four corners. We've got a fold down stack. Come around with the hot boxes. Our 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays in here. Hey, y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inch cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America. All right. Bottom rack slides out. Well, they all slide out. We love sliding racks, TMG. Anyways, bottom plate is removable and it has daisy wheels. So you can open it up a little bit and get a little hotter in here in the smoke chamber, or you can pull the whole plate out and get direct fire in here. We've got an insulated firebox down here at the bottom. A couple other goodies in here as well. We got a propane assist to help get your fire going, fire cradle, and he got our fireboard too, guys. We're a dealer for fireboard. They got some good stuff. He hopped in on that deal. So guys, if you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Fits, Knoxville, Tennessee.